Step 1. Find the lesson in the calendar, click on it, and select the complete option. Step 2. Update the title, wage, or time of the lesson if necessary. The third step is to change the status from scheduled to attended, cancelled, or missed. If the status is set to cancelled, the cost of the lesson will be set to 0. Step 4. If required, update the cost of the lesson as well. In teacher accounts, the cost field is not visible by default, but you can change this in the permissions section of the teacher's profile. Step 5. Add internal notes about the lesson. These are not visible to the client. Step 6. Enter the shared notes about the lesson. These are visible in parent and student accounts. Step 7. If you want to email a copy of the shared notes to your clients, click on the Email Shared Notes checkbox. The option to receive lesson notes has to be enabled on the client's profile. Step 8. Click on Submit or Submit Next to quickly complete more lessons. When the lesson has been completed, an icon indicating the status will be displayed next to the title of the lesson on the calendar. Attended lessons will have a check mark, cancelled lessons will have a line through it, and missed lessons will contain an X. To update the status of multiple lessons at once, you can go to the Calendar option, click on Lesson History by Student, and use the checkboxes to make your selections. A Set Status menu will appear. Select the appropriate status and click on Go to apply the change to all selected lessons.